we got a question that came in about molar tubes, of all things. People are wondering what molar tubes that I use and consistent, and how I pair that with the Damon Ultima system. Currently what I'm using is the titanium 022 tube from Ormco. I use it on the 6s and the 7s. The rationalization of the titanium is that it has a little bit more absorption when occluding teeth hit on it, and it's supposed to cause less T-bonds. I don't know if that's true. All I know is that I've been using them for forever. Some people do ask why I don't use SL brackets, and the biggest reason is I think they're too big right now. They're redesigning them, but currently I think that the SL's a bit big, and more importantly, if the door ever opens, it just creates a firestorm problem. So I enjoy having a tube on the 6s and the 7s. So I posted the part numbers along with this. So for all the molars, the upper first and second, lower first and second, check the part numbers. They're right there. Okay. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.